Struggling with messy kitchens and slow food prep? Imagine slicing, blending, and chopping effortlessly in minutes. Today, we're revealing the top 8 best-rated blender and food processor combos that can transform your cooking game. Welcome to the channel, stick around, and check the description links to grab your favorites. On number 8 is Oster Blender. Ever tried making a smoothie only to end up with chunky, uneven results? That's where the Oster Blender steps in and truly surprises you. With its 1200-watt motor and dual-direction 6-point stainless steel blades, it crushes ice, tough veggies, and nuts effortlessly, tested for real-world comfort. The extra-large 8-cup BPA-free food processor bowl makes chopping, slicing, and grinding meals a breeze, giving you peace of mind in the kitchen. Compared to other combos on our top 8 list, Oster stands out for its texture select feature, letting you choose thin, medium, or thick consistencies with ease. The 9 auto programs and 4 manual speeds put full control at your fingertips. Pros: power, versatility, dishwasher-safe convenience, and a 3-year satisfaction guarantee. Cons: slightly bulky, but worth it for smart, stress-free cooking. If you love efficiency without compromise, this is a must-have, especially if you've struggled with slow, messy prep before. Who's ready to up? At number 7 is SANGCON chopper for meat. Ever struggled with mincing meat evenly without a mess? That's exactly where the SANGCON chopper steps in, and honestly, it's a game changer. This 5-in-1 kitchen wonder handles everything from smoothies and sauces to grinding meat with real precision, tested for real-world comfort. The stainless steel blades, combined with a secure lock system and suction cup stability, make chopping safe and stress-free. Compared to other combos on our top 8 list, SANGCON impresses with versatility. Its 4 containers and 3 blade types let you switch from juicing to meat grinding in seconds. The motor is powerful yet smartly protected against overheating, giving you peace of mind. Pros: multifunctionality, safety, easy cleanup. Cons: short 60-second run limit per use, but that's a smart design choice. For anyone who wants efficiency and safety in one package, this is worth grabbing. Who's ready to make kitchen? On number 6 is Braun TriForce Power Blender. Did you know that most blenders struggle to crush ice and tough ingredients evenly? The Braun TriForce Power Blender changes that completely. With its 1200-watt motor and unique triangular jug, it blends faster, smoother, and more efficiently than many others on our top 8 list, tested for real-world comfort. The eye texture control with smooth, medium, or coarse settings lets you tailor recipes exactly how you like them. Plus, 3 food programs and 10 manual speeds give total control. Compared to other combos, Braun's precision and versatility really shine, turning tough veggies or frozen fruits into silky perfection in seconds. Pros: speed, consistency, and easy cleanup. Cons: slightly larger footprint on the counter. If you want a smart, reliable kitchen companion that saves time and delivers professional results, this blender is a solid choice. Curious how it stacks up against the next product? At number 5 is Cuisinart Food Processor. Ever wondered why some food processors leave uneven chunks or struggle with thick dips? The Cuisinart Food Processor solves that with ease. Its powerful 720-watt motor effortlessly handles chopping, blending, and pureeing, tested for real-world comfort. From silky hummus to chunky salsas, it tackles every recipe with precision. Compared to others on our top 8 list, Cuisinart stands out for its massive 14-cup bowl and extra-large feed tube, making prep for big families or parties stress-free. The stainless steel blades and dishwasher-safe components add convenience and peace of mind. Pros: power, capacity, and easy cleaning. Cons: blades aren't adjustable, but the results remain consistently excellent. If you want reliability, versatility, and smart design in one, this processor is a clear winner. Curious how it compares to our next top pick? Stay tuned. At number 4 is Ninja Power Blender. Ever tried crushing frozen fruits or nuts only to have your blender stall midway? The Ninja Power Blender crushes that problem completely. With a 1600-watt Smart Torque motor and hybrid edge blades, it powers through ice, nuts, and tough veggies without breaking a sweat, tested for real-world comfort. Compared to other combos on our top 8 list, Ninja stands out with its XL smoothie bowl maker, nutrient extraction cup, and 7 preset auto IQ programs, giving unmatched versatility. From smoothies and nut butters to shredding and slicing, it handles everything with precision. Pros: incredible power, smooth blends, dishwasher-safe parts, and variable speed control. Cons: a slightly larger footprint, but totally worth it for consistent, hassle-free results. If you want a smart, reliable, and nutrient-packed kitchen companion, this one's a winner. Curious how it measures against our next pick? Keep watching. On number 3 is Camic Blender. Ever tried prepping a family dinner only to struggle with bulky ingredients and slow blending? The Camic Blender solves that instantly. With a powerful 600-watt motor and extra-large 72-ounce bowl, it handles frozen fruits, dense dough, and hard cheeses effortlessly, tested for real-world comfort. What makes it stand out among our top 8 picks? Its 6 one-touch presets plus pulse and adjustable speed control let you go from coarse chopping to silky purees in seconds. The 11-in-1 accessory set, including dough blades, shredding discs, juicer, and to-go cups, turns it into a complete kitchen powerhouse. Pros: power, versatility, easy cleanup, and generous capacity. Cons: slight learning curve for some attachments, but the results are worth it. If you want efficiency, safety, and smart meal prep in one, this is a must-have. Curious how it compares to our next top-rated combo? Stay tuned. At number 2 is VegeNutrix Glass Jar Blender. Ever tried making smoothies, nut butters, or fresh juices only to end up with uneven textures and a stressful cleanup? The VegeNutrix Glass Jar Blender solves that effortlessly. With a 700-watt motor spinning up to 25,000 revolutions per minute, it handles everything from crushing ice and frozen fruits to kneading dough, tested for real-world comfort. Compared to other combos on our top 8 list, VegeNutrix stands out with its dual BPA-free cups, a 70-ounce glass jar and 88-ounce food processor bowl. Manual master control and pulse modes give precise control, while the double lock safety system ensures peace of mind for families. Pros: power, versatility, safety, and easy cleanup. Cons: slightly heavier than plastic models, but stability and durability make it worth it. For anyone craving reliable, efficient, and safe kitchen prep, this is a smart choice. Curious how it compares to our final top pick? Keep watching. Now moving to the last one is KOIOS Spice Grinder. Ever struggled with bulky appliances cluttering your kitchen, or grinders that just can't handle tough spices? The KOIOS Spice Grinder solves that with style and power. This 4-in-1 kitchen powerhouse combines a high-performance blender, food processor, and dedicated spice and coffee grinder, all in one compact 1000 watts unit, tested for real-world comfort. Compared to other combos on our top 8 list, KOIOS impresses with versatility. From smoothies and salsas to grinding spices and chopping veggies, it does it all. Safety lock lids, non-slip suction base, and overheating protection give peace of mind while working at full speed. Pros: incredible multifunctionality, powerful motor, easy cleanup, and generous BPA-free cups. Cons: a slight learning curve for new users, but totally worth it for efficiency and smart kitchen prep. Curious how this stacks against other heavy-duty combos? Keep watching. After testing all 8, the Ninja Power Blender clearly stands out as the ultimate winner. Its 1,600-watt Smart Torque motor powers through ice, frozen fruits, nuts, and dense ingredients effortlessly, while the XL Smoothie Bowl Maker, Nutrient Extraction Cup, and 7 Auto IQ programs give unmatched versatility. Compared to others on our top 8 list, it delivers consistent, silky results every time, with easy cleanup and durable, dishwasher-safe parts. If you want a powerful, reliable, and multifunctional kitchen companion, this is the smartest choice for professional-level results at home. So guys, this was the video about the top 8 best-rated blender food processor combo. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.